Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today on Monday. Yes, new day in a week, working week. On Monday, May the 30th, 2022, almost end of the month. We have here in this additional a letter Sudoku, the 2-star Sudoku, the 3-star Sudoku, tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and a binary. And those puzzles, I'm not interested. 6 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 3 of them I will solve. The 3 stars Sudoku, the binary, and the tectonic with 4 stars. Why? Because it's too much for me to solve them all, because I need the same time for uploading them to YouTube. Otherwise it will be a day job. And yeah, the first one I will solve is a Sudoku with 3 stars, number 4624. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one, 3 stars, has always 25 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say the less it will be more difficult, because sometimes a puzzle with 24 is faster than this one with 25. Maybe this one has a lot of hidden numbers or a lot of pairs, so you need more time to solve. All right, but it's an indication of the difficulty level. And for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 3 ones. We have here 1, 2. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 threes. 3 fours. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 4 threes. 3 fours. 2 fives. 3 fives. 1, 2, 3 sixes. 2 sevens. 2 eights. And 4 nines. So 3 and the 9s are a majority. Let me see which number. Yeah, the 9 in this row. The 9 in the last row. The 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see that 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column. 9 in the column next. So in the last column. Only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see that 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. All right. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see that 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see that 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 9. All right. Let me see for the 3. Well, the 3 will be difficult, I see. 3 will be difficult. 3 will be difficult. Yeah. Okay. Let me see. 6, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in this row. So no 6 in these 2 boxes. Here 6 in this column. No 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. 6 in that column. So the column between, only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Let me see. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 6 should be here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Now we have a 6 there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 6, so this box can't be 6 anymore. That box should be 6. Alright, now we have all the 6s. And all the 6s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 6. Let me see for the 3. Still, well, 3. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in the third column. No 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Alright, okay. Now I cannot continue with the 3. Well, not true. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 3 boxes here. 3 in the third row, no 3 in those 3 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 3 in this column, 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 3. Let me see. 2 to 5. Alright. We have an 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. We have here 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, so 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Now we have 1 box left in the first column for number 1, the 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We see here 1 in the second column. So no 1 in this box. The 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then, let me see. 1. We have a 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And we have, well, not up here, but we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 3 in this row, first row, 3 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Now I can count, and all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing number in the last row is the number 5. Well, we see here 5 in the last column, so no 5 in this box. We see there 5 in this column, so no 5 in that box. So the 5 could be here, could be there in the last row, here or there. Well, we see there another 5 in the middle column, so no 5 in that box. So one box left for the 5. Should be here. All right. 2, 8, 7. Interesting. I need 2, 4, 8, 8 and 4. I'm missing some numbers. 7, 7, 7, 7. What a 8. 8, 8, 8. No. 8, 8. 8. Yeah, supposed to be the 8. Okay. Well. Let me put some numbers. 2 missing numbers in this row. For the numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and the 7. The other pair in this big square, other numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. 7, 7. 2 should be here. Okay. 7, 8, 2. 2, 8, 4. Difficult part. But the 1 and 1. Yeah. Well, come on. These 2 numbers in this column are the numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Okay, how about those 2 numbers in this column? For the numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. Cannot fill this yet. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. And the 5 is missing. 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. Okay. Then, let me see. 3, no, the 3. How about the 2? No, the 8. 8. Yeah, it's supposed to be 8. Okay. 1, 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in last row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers: 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 box left in the last row for the number 1. The 2 is missing. 2, yes. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 2. We see here 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here 2 in the middle column, so no 2 in that box. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle columm. So the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be here. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and 7, and the 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and 8. 7 and 8. Okay. Interesting. 1 and 4. 7 should be here. A lot of pairs here Cannot believe this. 1, 1, 1. 2, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, and 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 1, 4. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Where's the missing number here? Yeah. How about the 8, 8, 8, 8? Yeah, the 8 in this row. 8 in one of those two boxes in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1, 1. Yes. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6, and 7. 1, 7, 4. 1, 7, 4. 1, 4. 1, 7 should be the okay. How about the 8? 8. Here could be the 8. Come on. 1, 7, 4. 1, 7, 4. 1, 7, 4. No. 2. The 2 is also not complete. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. Overlook this 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 7. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7, and this box should be an 8. Now we have 8 there, so this box can be 8 and more. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 and more. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 1. 2 and a 5, okay. 4 and a 5. The 1 in this row, the 1 in that row. So the row between and the middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. About these 2 missing numbers in the middle column. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 7 and 4, 7 and 4. We have a 4 in the third row. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 there. So this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7. And this box should be an 8. 8 in this third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the numbers, 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can be 4 and more. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 7. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 there, so this box give me 7 and more. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box give me 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box give me 5 and more. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. Finish in 18 minutes. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars, because I'm faster than 20 minutes, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle. Binary puzzle I will do. Then the last one, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.